Hey everyone, I'm Anissa.
And I'm Tahir.
Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we are going on a vegan adventure.
Absolutely. It's Veganuary and we are here at Coven Market in Hamilton. We're going to check out what they have to offer, but Anissa's been talking about this place forever. I don't know much about it, so Anissa, tell the people why we're here.
So this place is a vegan grocery store, so like vegan plant-based items. They have a lot of different specialty items that you can't get in other places. This is actually, they've just opened up early this year in 2021, their new expanded store. So we're really excited to see that because their offering is supposed to be even better than before. And they have lovely vegan and plant-based baked items, so things like cinnamon buns they're really well known for.
Wait, what?
Yep.
Oh, snap.
Yep, cinnamon
buns.
I
love cinnamon buns. You don't understand. Before I became vegan, I loved a good Cinnabon. Like nothing could beat that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be amazing.
Okay.
And also that now they're doing like sandwiches and things like that too. So we're also going to grab a couple things for lunch.
Okay.
And then we're going to come back to you with a taste test.
All right, so we're gonna go in there, check it out, and we will be back as soon as possible. We'll take some footage, show you what the place is all about, and then share that taste test with you. All right, see you soon.
And we're back. So we both got sandwiches. We're gonna share the sandwiches. One is pastrami. I think that one is the pastrami one. And one is a lox sandwich, like obviously vegan lox. So let's open this up. They've got a pickle on here, which looks great.
Want to show me the front of the sandwich? Here's my sandwich. And again, a pickle on top, which I love. It's so cool. We both love pickles. So you got some pickle juice on you?
This is another one. This is a bit wet, so let's see how we go. And I think they make their bread in-house too. I want to say that they do.
Oh, this looks legit. I might be eating all of this. Okay, hold on. I gotta show you, buddy. Check this out. Like this looks wild right here. Oh, snap.
And then this is the pastrami sandwich. It looks delicious too. I'm not pastrami, sorry. Mine's the lox. So you want to go in for your bite first?
Let's do it. Okay.
Go for it. It looks delicious.
Yeah, this looks so good. Oh my goodness. Bit of a pain to eat in the car, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh my God, I can't wait to try it.
Wow.
This is really good too. Oh my gosh.
This is serious, like wow.
This one has so this one has like the lox in it, like the carrot lox. It's got some onion, it's some cream cheese, some capers, perfect. And the bread, like the texture of the bread is just amazing.
The bread is awesome. Yeah, this one here has some lettuce, cheese, and then like slices of vegan pastrami. Really tasty and very like thick and like filling. Really good. Okay, so we're gonna go switch. Ready? Okay, let's do it.
Okay, you hold the
okay.
You hold the pickle. Car eating, you know, fun stuff.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're just going for it now. Oh snap! Your pickle's like really juicy.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. That is good. The cream cheese? Oh my God.
This is delicious. The flavor, oh my God. I feel like we need to come here every Saturday.
Wow. This bun is crazy. And this cream cheese sauce they have going on here, Wow. So check it out inside. There's a bite right there. Yeah, this is so tasty. We haven't even gotten through all the other stuff, but already I'm coming back here. I don't know about you, and I don't know about you, but you need to come here. Okay, we're going to finish these off. We'll come back and then share the rest of the stuff we got. We got some desserts also. They look great.
With salads.
Oh, we have salads. Yeah, super exciting. We're going to share that with you in a minute. All right, see you soon. Okay, so we are back. We finished our sandwiches, and my God, these sandwiches were so good. The buns were unreal. It's so hard to find a good bun, especially a good vegan bun. The buns were amazing.
They were like the perfect texture. They were soft. Just like they held the sandwich properly, which is so important.
So key. Yeah, a lot of buns will break down early.
Yeah, it was
super
perfect.
Annoying. Yeah. So now we're going to dig into these salads. So I have this smoky macaroni salad.
I think it's Southwestern, I think,
something
macaroni.
like that.
And mine is a Thai salad, a Thai noodle salad. And you gotta love when...
This is mine.
You might want to open it up.
There we go. That's mine. Gotta watch out for that sun. There we go. And then show yours. Oh yeah.
And that's mine. And you gotta love a salad that basically doesn't have any greens in it. We love our greens, but sometimes it's fun to have a salad that's just like fun and
I have some pickles in mine.
I don't think that qualifies as greens.
It's really good. Oh yeah.
This one's really good too. It has like it has cabbage in it, a little bit of like shredded cabbage. It's the noodles, green onions, and it has kind of like almost like a peanut buttery, sweet, savory taste. I don't know if it's really peanut butter in there or not, but it's very good. This
is really good.
Yeah.
Tastes like regular salad, macaroni salad, and no aftertaste. Sometimes macaroni salads have a little funny aftertaste, and this one does not, which makes it a really good macaroni salad.
All right, let's try this.
Let's see what's happening over here. Right?
Really good too.
Okay, come on. Don't be so difficult.
It's a tough one to come out of the container. I really like this one. It's very traditional tasting. Both are good.
Really good. Both are good. Very different. And yeah, I like this one a lot. This is really good.
This one has a very traditional mac and cheese. Sorry, not mac and cheese, but a macaroni salad taste.
Sure.
It's very, very traditional, like barbecue style. Like it's good.
Really good. Okay, we're gonna enjoy these, and we'll come back with some dessert. The dessert looks to die for. Now the cinnamon bun that I was super excited about, womp womp. They didn't have it, so
it was sold out.
It was sold out.
It was sold out, and like we're here at like 1 o'clock, and they're already sold out for the day.
Crazy.
So they really can't keep up with the demand. They're really well known for that.
Yeah, well, good for them. Yeah, cool. See you guys in a bit.
It's really good.
Okay, we are back for the final chapter of this thrilling adventure. Let's show them what we have here. There is a key lime pie and a cherry pie, like a handheld cherry pie, basically. A hand pie. Oops. Brian, edit that out, please. Okay.
So we're so excited to get into this.
Yep. All right. Okay, here we go.
You want to do the hand pie first?
Hand pie first? Let's do it. I'm down with the hand pie first. Oh my God, I love pies. I love lemon meringue, key lime pies also. And I love Cinnabons. Like they have all my favorite.
But you also love cherry pie.
I love cherry pie. That's why I said the pie. Apple pie, cherry pie. What else do I love? And cookies. Yeah.
They have everything there.
Everything,
so it was kind of hard to make
all
choices.
All delicacies and all vegan. Amazing. Okay, let's do it.
I'm going to try the key lime.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
It does look so good.
Here we go.
Let me jump in and try a bite too.
That tastes like key lime pie.
Check it out, check it out, check it out. Okay.
Oh wow. And they have that lovely crust that like, oh my God, the crust.
Oh
that
snap, I didn't get the crust at the bottom.
The graham cracker crust.
Shoot, slacker that I am. I didn't go in and get the crust at first.
Oh my God. Best vegan key lime ever.
Wow.
Wow. So good.
That's great. Okay, let's try the cherry pie.
Okay.
And tell our friends all about the cherry pie. Here's the cherry pie. All right. And you go right here. And Robert? Okay.
Excellent. The pastry, the filling.
We might have to take this home and warm it up.
It'll be good warm too.
It's really good. And if we warm it up, it's gonna be even better.
Yeah.
That's really good.
That's delicious.
Okay.
The texture, like even the pastry has like a buttery flavor to it. It's very good.
That's legit. Okay, so we're gonna go in now, get this sugar rush, sugar coma here. Enjoy the rest of this, but we hope you had a good time. We loved doing this today. It's been a while since we've done this.
Yeah.
And it was so much fun. Thank you to our special friend, Sunny and Zara, for the inspiration, for telling us to do this. And we hope you enjoyed it. And we look forward to seeing you next time.
Yeah, and check out Coven Market. Excellent food.
For
We're not sponsored or anything. We're just like trying out all the vegan delicacies around where we live, and we drove out a little bit to come out to see them, and totally worth it. Yeah.
Definitely recommend you come here. They have so many cool little grocery items. Everything is vegan. It's like you're walking through a regular grocery store, but everything is vegan.
And they have so many specialty items like the cheeses, so we're going to be trying out those things. We'll share it on Instagram.
Yep.
So yeah, check it out. It's really good.
Come here, check them out. Let us know what you think. And yeah, so signing out for Offbeat Life, thank you so much. And we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us. Subscribe, share with your friends and family, spread the love. All right, until next time, signing out.
Bye.
See ya.